I came up with the idea of the air hood while looking at my own extractor hood when I was a student, and I knew I could do something to make it more user-friendly, to make its maintenance easier. I realized that the portability and the small form factor were two very important aspects to allow people to have one at home, because the fact is that many people simply don't have any extraction system at all. The idea that everyone deserves to live in a healthy cooking environment is what drove this project from the beginning. As the world's first portable kitchen hood, air hood, designed with a very small footprint that allows you to easily place it directly near the pan or pot when you cook. The air hood redirects the cooking fumes out of the way and filters it to keep you safe from toxic fumes. We're extremely excited to bring the air hood on the market. We know it will benefit many people.
The Andrew James Ice Cream Maker is a treat for all the family. With this product, you can create mouth-watering ice cream in just 30 minutes. A generous capacity means enough ice cream for everyone. Yet the compact design allows for easy storage. Simply switch on the machine, add your choice of ingredients, and away you go. Delicious homemade ice cream whenever you want it. This model features an extra-large ingredient funnel, which allows large volumes of ingredients to be added simultaneously. The bowl itself is removable, which saves time and avoids loss of product when emptying the ice cream maker. It's also great for yogurts and sorbets. This product comes with a 2-year warranty. Andrew James, get the party started. Our domestic food sealer is a fantastic way to keep your food fresher for longer. It comes with a selection of high-quality bags to get you started, and they are reusable and dishwasher safe. Simply place the bag along the 30cm strip, close the lid, and press the vacuum seal button. There is also the option to seal only without removing the air from inside the bag. A great feature is that it can also be used to seal and protect valuable or easily damaged items, such as jewelry, clothes, photographs, and documents. You can also vacuum and seal to save space.
Create the perfect size burger patty every time with the Favia Burger Press. This hamburger press is made from hard anodized aluminum and features a cross pattern that creates an evenly shaped patty. Place the minced meat into the center of the burger press and press down on the handle for a second to create an even patty. You can place the wax papers inside the mold before creating the patty, or you can use them after. Burger making is now so much easier with the Favia Burger Press.